Now, um, at the ICI level, we also accepted and agreed that because the legal process dito sa Pilipinas, several layers. From prosecution, building of cases, dalayin sa ombudsman to Sandigang Bayan. Medyo mahaba yon. And I kept mentioning, including meetings with the legislators, two gold standards for anti-corruption. I will keep repeating this, the ICAC of Hong Kong and the CPIB of Singapore. What is the major change in those two gold standards? All in one. Hindi na pasa-pasa. No? There's only one agency from foreclosure to lockdown to hanggang kulong, isang agency lang.